Welcome, thank you for coming. I really appreciate you being here today. Hope you're doing well.
Before I show you what's inside, make sure you subscribe to this channel. You're gonna love what's coming next.
You guys have to see Optimus too. This is really cool. And it's a secret. This is unbelievable, guys. I can't believe we found something like this. This is honestly one of the coolest discoveries I've ever seen. Come up here with me. There's something inside you really need to see. Look at the detail right here. I've only seen this specific casting once before.
Remarkable. We'll ensure it's preserved.
Take a look at this. It's completely covered in rust. Honestly, I didn't expect it to be this bad. The metal is completely rusted. It looks like it's been sitting here for years. Wait, you actually want to buy this truck? Man, this is a lot of cash. I don't even know what to do right now. I don't want to do this, but I have no choice. I have to sell Optimus. I really have to. Wow, you guys really prepared everything to move Optimus. I didn't expect all this equipment. Steady, steady. Bring her up slow. Watch the right side clearance. All right, bring it over the flatbed now. Goodbye, take care of him. I'll see you again someday. All right, keep coming back, easy now.
Watch the alignment.
And stop, that's perfect.
This section is worse than we thought.
Agreed. The rust has eaten right through the livery here. We need to media blast this entire panel and start fresh.
Wow, look at that finish.
She looks brand new. Great job, everyone.
Yeah, all that hard work paid off.
This is amazing. I have to get a picture. It's even bigger in person.